Space is vast, but it's not empty. Thousands of asteroids zoom around our solar system. Most are harmless, orbiting the Sun between Mars and Jupiter, but some cross Earth's path. What if one of these space rocks, big enough to cause serious damage, was headed straight for us? It might sound like science fiction, but it's a question scientists take very seriously. The good news is that scientists are constantly searching the skies, looking for potentially dangerous asteroids. They're also developing plans to protect our planet should we ever need to deflect an incoming threat. The story of Earth and asteroids is a tale of close calls and catastrophic collisions, of survival and adaptation. It's a story that reminds us of our place in the cosmos and the importance of understanding the universe we live in. Asteroids are rocky remnants from the early solar system, cosmic leftovers from the time when planets were forming. Imagine a giant construction site with bits and pieces of material scattered around. That's kind of what the early solar system was like. These space rocks come in all shapes and sizes. Some are as small as pebbles, while others are hundreds of miles wide. They're mostly made up of rock and metal, but some contain water, ice, and even organic molecules, the building blocks of life. Understanding asteroids isn't just about studying ancient history, it's about understanding the potential threats they pose. By learning about their composition, size, and trajectory, we can better assess the risk they pose to our planet. The more we know about asteroids, the better equipped we'll be to protect ourselves from a potential impact. Earth has a long history of asteroid impacts. Just look at the Moon. Its cratered surface tells the story of a violent past. Earth, with its active geology and atmosphere, has healed many of its own scars. But the evidence is there if you know where to look. Giant craters like the Chicxulub crater in Mexico tell the tale of impacts that reshaped life on our planet. The Chicxulub impact, about 66 million years ago, is believed to have caused the extinction of the dinosaurs. This event, though devastating, paved the way for the rise of mammals and eventually humans. Asteroid impacts are a powerful reminder that Earth is not immune to the forces of the cosmos. They are a stark reminder of our planet's vulnerability and the importance of vigilance in the face of cosmic threats. Scientists around the world are constantly scanning the skies, searching for asteroids that might pose a threat to Earth. They use powerful telescopes, both on the ground and in space, to detect even the faintest glimmer of light reflected off these distant objects. Tracking an asteroid is like following a breadcrumb trail across the solar system. By carefully measuring an asteroid's position and movement over time, scientists can calculate its orbit and predict its future path. The more observations they make, the more accurate their predictions become. And if they spot one that's on a collision course with Earth, they'll have time to do something about it. Early detection is key to planetary defense. Imagine trying to move a mountain in space. That's essentially what deflecting an asteroid is all about. But don't worry, scientists have some clever ideas up their sleeves. One option is to use a kinetic impactor, basically a spacecraft designed to slam into the asteroid at high speed, nudging it off course. Think of it like playing cosmic billiards, using a spacecraft as the cue ball. Another option is a gravity tractor, a spacecraft that would fly alongside the asteroid for an extended period, using its own gravity to gently tug the asteroid off course. It's a slow and steady approach, but it could work for smaller asteroids. These are just a couple of the ideas scientists are exploring. It's a complex challenge, but with enough time and ingenuity, we might just be able to avoid a cosmic catastrophe. Section 6. Cosmic Guardians protecting our planet. Protecting our planet from asteroid impacts is a global responsibility. It's not something any one nation can do alone. It requires international cooperation and collaboration. Organizations like NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office are dedicated to coordinating efforts to find, track, and characterize potentially hazardous asteroids. They work with scientists and space agencies around the world to share information and develop strategies for planetary defense. It's like having a global neighborhood watch for asteroids, with everyone keeping an eye on the sky and working together to protect our planet. This global effort is crucial for ensuring the safety of our planet and future generations. Section 7. After the impact, life finds a way. Even if an asteroid were to hit Earth, it wouldn't necessarily mean the end of life as we know it. Remember, life is incredibly resilient. It's survived asteroid impacts before, and it will likely survive them again. The extent of the damage would depend on the size and speed of the asteroid, as well as where it hit. A smaller asteroid might cause localized devastation, while a larger one could have global consequences. But even in the face of catastrophe, life would find a way to adapt and evolve. New species would emerge, filling the ecological niches left vacant by those lost. The impact might even spark the evolution of entirely new forms of life. Section 8. Learning from the past, preparing for the future. Asteroids have played a significant role in shaping the history of Earth, from the extinction of the dinosaurs to the evolution of new life forms. By studying past impacts, we can learn valuable lessons about our planet's vulnerability and resilience. The more we understand about asteroids, the better equipped we'll be to protect ourselves from future impacts. By investing in scientific research, developing advanced technologies and fostering international cooperation, we can increase our chances of avoiding a cosmic catastrophe. The search for potentially hazardous asteroids is an ongoing endeavor, a testament to our commitment to safeguarding our planet. It's a reminder that we're not just passive passengers on this cosmic journey. We have the power to shape our own destiny. Section 9, our cosmic address, a pale blue dot in a vast universe. From the vastness of space, Earth appears as a tiny, fragile oasis. It's a pale blue dot suspended in a sunbeam. This image serves as a powerful reminder of our planet's preciousness and our responsibility to protect it. The threat of asteroid impacts underscores our interconnectedness with the cosmos. It reminds us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, a vast and awe-inspiring universe that continues to evolve and surprise us. As we explore the cosmos and unravel its mysteries, we must also remain vigilant in protecting our pale blue dot, our only home in the vast expanse of space. It's a responsibility we owe to ourselves, to future generations, and to all life that shares this remarkable planet.